welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you customize your voice or sound on your iPad. Of course, there's the one with here. You can either increase or decrease your voice of your iPad, or you can go to another thing. Let's get started. First of all, go to settings, and from here you can choose sounds, and here you can, as we can see, this is the sound. You can either change it with your buttons, or you can just keep it like that. You can choose how do you like to hear the sound of your iPad. For me, I prefer the loudest. Of course, here there's plenty of options. If you want to customize your ringtone of your iPad, just click on whatever you want to hear. And if you want to customize your text tone, of course you can choose any of these options. And of course, new mail, sent mail, Twitter, Facebook post, calendar, alter, or anything of these guys, you can change the voice. And here, if you want to hear the voice when you lock your screen, like let's give you an example. As you can see, you hear the voice with which is chick. As you can see, if you really don't prefer to hear that voice, just click off. And if you want, when you are typing, you want to hear each letter that you type, just click on this one, which is keyboard clicks. For me, I prefer to hear each sound that I click. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.